Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make let's make a racetrack in Blender. So let's start this down, click tab, use plain face instead of face, use spin, do that, and then we'll do that. Now we got a circle. You can do this however much times you want until this happens. Yeah, it sometimes does like glitching, but we don't want glitching, so we'll just keep it like this. Now let's turn it the other way. Now that's going to be like a sharp turn. Then after we do that, we can do this. And oh no. Yeah, that's how you basically use the spin tool. So bye guys, hope this video was like and share. Bye.